to enter this trade, which we're going to go ahead and do. And let me just go ahead and set this up. And we're going to go ahead and buy this at this point. And the truth of the matter is, I would have liked to have got it a little further down. But whenever you, like I said, whenever you see one of these big red lines on my screen, that's an indication of something. And I like the bounce right here, so we're going to take this and we'll just see how things progress. Okay, as you can see, this trade's working out. Admittedly, we got in a little bit late. I really would have liked to have got in here. We got in a little bit late. Okay, so beans, this is Wednesday morning, and things sort of happen without a lot of explanation, getting into what's going to happen at 7:30, which is really the time that we're intending to trade this morning, where the bigger trade's going to be. We've taken this littler trade here in the beginning, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this stop way in, and I'm not going to give away this early profit that we've had this morning. And so if it comes and stops us out, fine, dandy, this trade will be over and we'll resume at 7:30. If it continues up, so be it. We'll take it. Okay, we got our answer. So nice little trade. We're just going to hold that thought, and we're going to resume here in about 40 minutes or so. Okay, so as you can see, I have flattened that initial trade, and you see that little dotted line across there. That's something that we would be talking about in the trading room. For the purposes of this video, we're not going to get into it, but it is definitely a barrier. And at this point, looking at this trade now to correct and probably go down to this other dotted line. So as you can see, I've moved our stop in real close. And at this point, I'd like for this trade, obviously, to continue in the downward direction. But at the same time, when it gets this late in the day, you just can't afford to give away the money that you've made. And so I've got to watch it real close. And if it comes up and stops us out, it's not the biggest trade that we'll ever make, but it's still a profitable trade and a good trade. And we'd be happy to have it. All right. So as you can see, we've went ahead and stopped that trade. I just think that when you see all of this, could it go down? Yeah, in fact, now that I'm out of the trade, it probably will. But all in all, a great day. And in recap, we took a very early trade, did very nicely around the 6 o'clock hour. Of course, today's news day, we avoided this debacle here. This is really tough trading. See this up and down, up and down. This could really kill you. Patiently waited until we got a nice signal and then picked up a nice little trade at the end of the day. So there you go. Remember, if you're subscribed to our service, of course, you get a lot more details because you're in the room with us. And if this is the first time you've ever watched one of our videos, thank you for doing so, and then encourage you to take a harder and longer look at our subscription service, where a ton of people make a lot of money on a consistent basis. With that, I'll be looking forward to trading with you tomorrow.